You've been hitting the gym, sticking to your workout routine, and feeling pumped about the results, but why does that number on the scale keep creeping up? Doesn't it seem like the harder you work, the more the weight piles on? You're doing everything right, yet the scale just isn't cooperating. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone, and what's happening with your body might actually be a sign of progress. So, why are you gaining weight after starting to work out? Let's dive into the reasons, and more importantly, let's find out what this means for your fitness journey. 1. Muscle gain versus fat loss. Let's start with a big one. Muscle gain. If you're incorporating strength training into your workout routine, whether that's lifting weights, body weight exercises, or resistance training, you're likely building muscle. And guess what? Muscle weighs more than fat. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying muscle is bad weight. Far from it. In fact, muscle is your friend. It helps to burn fat, boosts your metabolism, and makes you stronger. So, what happens is this: you're losing fat while simultaneously gaining muscle. Since muscle is denser than fat, the number on the scale might go up even as your body gets leaner. Imagine this. It's like replacing a fluffy, oversized couch with a sleek, stylish leather chair. The new chair might weigh more, but it takes up less space, right? That's what's happening to your body. Your muscles are getting stronger and denser, and although the scale might show more weight, your body composition is actually improving. 2. Water retention. Next up is something that's often overlooked: water retention. When you start working out, your muscles experience tiny tears, and this is a normal part of the recovery process. Your body needs water to help repair those muscles. So, as you start a new workout routine, your body holds on to extra water in order to speed up that repair process. This can lead to temporary bloating or puffiness, especially in the first few weeks. Here's the kicker: this water weight is temporary. As your body adapts to your new workout routine, this water retention will decrease. So, if you're feeling a bit puffier after your workouts, just know it's a normal phase, and you'll start to see the water weight come off as your body adjusts. Hydration is also key, so keep drinking water to help flush out that excess. 3. Increased glycogen storage. Glycogen is a form of stored carbohydrate that your muscles use for energy during exercise. When you increase your workout intensity or frequency, your muscles store more glycogen to fuel your workouts. But here's the twist: for every gram of glycogen your body stores, it holds on to about 3 grams of water to keep that glycogen in your muscles. So, as you start to work out more, you're likely storing more glycogen, which can lead to temporary weight gain. Think of glycogen like a battery for your muscles. The more you work out, the more power your muscles need, and your body charges up by storing extra glycogen. That extra storage can show up on the scale, but it's actually a sign that your body is gearing up to perform better during your workouts. It's a positive sign that your muscles are ready to go the extra mile. 4. Hormonal changes. Let's talk about hormones. When you begin working out, your body experiences hormonal shifts, especially if you're pushing your limits with intense workouts. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can spike after exercise, particularly during intense training or if you're not getting enough recovery time. High cortisol levels can lead to your body holding on to more fat, particularly around the belly area. It's not just cortisol though. Other hormones like estrogen and testosterone also play a role in how your body stores fat and builds muscle. These hormones fluctuate with changes in your activity level, and it can take time for your body to find its balance. If you're gaining weight during this time, don't panic. Your hormones are just adjusting, and this phase usually doesn't last long. The more consistent you are with your workouts, the more your hormones will stabilize. 5. Overestimating calories burned. Now, this one might hit close to home. Overestimating how many calories you've actually burned. We've all been there. You finish a workout, and you feel like you've earned that extra snack, or maybe that large pizza. But here's the thing: fitness trackers, calorie burn estimates, and even how you feel can sometimes mislead you into thinking you've burned more calories than you actually have. The truth is, we often overestimate the calories burned during workouts. If you've been eating more than your body actually needs to recover, those extra calories can add up, leading to weight gain. It is important to find a balance between how much you're eating and how much you're burning. Keeping a food journal or tracking your meals can help you stay on top of your nutrition and avoid overeating, especially if you're doing cardio or strength training. 6. Not enough rest and recovery. Let's not forget about rest. When you start working out more frequently, your body needs time to recover. If you don't allow adequate recovery time, your body may enter a stress mode, which could result in fat retention. You're basically working your muscles so hard that they need more time to repair, and without enough rest, your body holds on to fat as a defense mechanism. Sleep is another important piece of the puzzle. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more hunger hormones, which can lead to overeating. So if you're working out intensely but skimping on sleep and recovery, your body may not be burning fat as efficiently as it should. Be sure to give your body the recovery time it needs to grow stronger and burn fat effectively. In conclusion, if you're gaining weight after starting a workout routine, don't panic. It's not always a sign that you're doing something wrong. In fact, many of the reasons for weight gain, muscle growth, water retention, glycogen storage are actually signs that your body is adapting and improving. It's just that the scale isn't always the best measure of progress. Instead of focusing on that number, pay attention to how you feel. Are you getting stronger? Are your clothes fitting differently? Do you have more energy? These are the real indicators of progress. So keep showing up for your workouts, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your body is working hard to become stronger, healthier, and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. And let me know in the comments, have you experienced weight gain when you first started working out? How did you handle it? Let's have a conversation and support each other on this journey. Keep pushing, and remember, progress is more than just a number on the scale.